So my name is Mo Kappas. I am the advisor for ALPs, the Adventure Learning Programs at UW-Madison. And we do team building and high and low ropes course workshops for groups.
It's not in a classroom, it's outside, it's working with people one-on-one. It's seeing, how groups interact and how to help them overcome obstacles and, overcome their fears. I mean, that's such a huge part of things that we have to do in any profession.
Our new ALPs virtual workshops are no different from any of our others. We're still challenging groups to improve their team building and communication skills. While we're all physically distanced, ALPs is still here providing ways to
power clap position!
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Yes!
I had fun doing things I've never done before.